Akash here. This is FOLIGROWTH. This is ultimate hair nutrition. Over the year, many different supplement I used, but this is the by far the strongest one. It made with 28 different ingredients. It has a vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, even the B complex. It has the biotin. There's 28 vegetable ingredients in it. That if your hair situation is really bad, over the year, many different hair product I use. Most of the natural product is in my all hair growth channel playlist. You could check it out there. Depending on your hair situation, you could check it out. But if you're looking at supplement on the market and something, this is personal I used and it really helped me. And like I said, it has 28 ingredients in it. This is the ultimate hair growth, really super fast your hair growth. And this you have to take it every morning too, and every night. I mean, not at night, evening time you take one with the meal. So you're gonna take 3. Comes with 90 of them together. But if depending on if your hair situation is really bad, then I would recommend take 2 in the morning after taking a meal, or take 1 in the evening. But if your hair situation is not that bad, you could take 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. It's like all natural ingredients, and you'll see it. It'll come in the box. You're gonna see all the healthy thing in it. Like I say, vitamin A, vitamin C, E, vitamin D3, even the folic acid, B complex, 28 different ingredients. So only thing is it, if you're gonna use this product supplement, if you use it every day, this is like 90 tablet in it. So if you're using 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, then it's gonna be good for like 1.5 months. So you will see a big difference in 1.5 months. If you already lost 20% or more of your hair, definitely I would recommend this. And also, if you want to use a hair lotion every morning, that would be really helpful to your hair. So I would definitely recommend a hair lotion, Neo hair lotion. I don't know if you've seen this. This is a very popular product. It's all natural ingredients in it, and it really helps your hair looks thicker and fuller. Because supplement, you're gonna use it, you're gonna see it different. If you use 1 bottle, you're gonna start seeing different your hair growth. Like you start seeing like new hair grow slowly, but it's gonna grow. But if you whatever the existing hair you have is gonna grow really fast, you're gonna see it the different. Definitely is good for 1.5 months. This is probably gonna be good for 2 months. What this does, if you right now, if you have a thin hair, some part of your hair, you look like you have skin showing up, use the shake it oil. Use it like three times. You just use it, don't use too much. Put it and just comb your hair. You're gonna see when it dries up, you're gonna see your hair looks thicker and fuller, and using a natural ingredients. So there is no gel, you're not using any gel or anything to make your hair pop off or anything. So you're using something nutrition and something like a pure natural thing, and also is helping your hair. So if you use those two together, I would see, if you already lost 20% or more of your hair, definitely I would recommend those two. You start with those two and see how it goes. If it's working for you more than a month you're using it, continue using it, because get more bottles and continue using it. Because once you see your hair is thicker and fuller on your head, what are you gonna do? Then use less. Maybe you take once a day, maybe you use once a day, like every other day, but you gotta continue using it for keep your hair growing and be thicker and fuller hair. Everybody wants it. And also be careful what kind of shampoo you're using. If you're using any normal chemical shampoo, I would recommend get this. This is very cheap. This is called Andrea. This is pure ginger in it. So what do? Whatever the shampoo you have, you put like 5 drops. If you have a 10 ounce of shampoo, this is how it's gonna look like. It smells great. You put 5 drops of this into it and shake it well. If you have a 20 ounce shampoo, put 10 drops. If you have a 30 ounce shampoo, put 15 drops. This is like $5. I say I have the link in the description box. All this product, you could check it out. So this is what it's gonna do. It's gonna help like regrow your hair. The places you're thinning out hairs, those little tiny hairs you see it, is gonna help regrow it really fast. So you're not only helping when you're taking shower, putting this Andrea ginger in it, also in the morning you're putting this natural lotion in it, and also you're taking the supplement to personally all kind of vitamin your body gets it to regrow your hair thicker and fuller and better. So if you're hitting it all 3 ways, and that would be the best way to do it, because they would say you definitely need this, because this is something really gonna help you. Because if you go for something really mild, light, and you already lost more than 20%, 30% of your hair, it might not work that well. So you need something really strong. With this 28 different ingredient in it, and all of them is natural, that's really gonna help you. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you so much.